All right, today we're going to first start off with the lab, and then there will also be some things that you'll be asked to draw on a piece of paper and either hold up to the camera or take a picture and submit it in the chat. So the first thing we're looking at are our four main greenhouse emissions: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water. And we're going to see how visible light or infrared radiation affect the molecules. So what you're going to draw, so this first one I'm clicking on is nitrogen. So I'm going to pause the video and I want you to take a minute to draw the molecule of nitrogen. So draw out this piece here and label it nitrogen. So we're going to pause the video while you label it nitrogen. So now we're going to look and see for the quiz questions for today, how it is affected by the light. So first I've chosen, we're on nitrogen still, and its reaction to visible light. It has no reaction to visible light, so we're switching to infrared. And it has no reaction to infrared. So now I'm switching it to the oxygen. Go ahead, I'm going to pause this video so that you can draw out the oxygen molecules to see what it looks like. And now we're going to test it with visible light. No reaction. And infrared. No reaction. All right, now we're switching to carbon dioxide. I'm going to pause the video while you draw out the carbon dioxide molecule. Now we're going to test for its visible light reaction. And there is none. Now we're going to check for infrared. So as it's hit by the infrared wave, the molecule shoots it off in any direction it chooses. All right, and the last one we're going to do is water. I'm going to pause the video while you draw the water molecule out. And now we're going to test it with visible light. Surprise, surprise, nothing happened. And with infrared, it has the same reaction as the carbon dioxide. Once it hits the molecule, it spits it off the infrared radiation in whatever direction it chooses. So now we're going to take a minute and you're going to turn on your camera or drop your photo in the chat so that you can get the first half of the assignment submitted. If you are able to do it in the chat, then you won't have to do it in the assignment lesson. And then we're going to take a second to answer the questions of how these molecules reacted.